Hello, guys. Welcome to Crypto Dose 24. I'm Vishwas Maurya. Today, we discuss about how to invest in gold in United States. Before starting, if you are on first time on my channel, please subscribe and press notification bell, which will get you latest future updates. In the United States, you can invest in gold through various avenues, including purchasing physical gold bars or coins, investing in gold-related stocks, or through gold-backed exchange-traded funds. First Invest is direct physical gold. You can buy physical gold in the form of bars or coins from licensed dealers, banks, or online retailers like APMEX or JM Bullion. Storage and insurance. When buying physical gold, you're responsible for secure storage and insurance, as you'll be physically holding the investment. Be aware that you'll typically pay a premium over the spot gold price when buying physical gold bars or coins. Second, by gold-related stocks. Consider investing in companies that mine and produce gold, though their share prices may not always perfectly track the price of gold. Invest in stocks of companies involved in the gold industry, such as mining, refining, or manufacturing. Third, by gold-backed ETFs. ETFs like GLD allow you to invest in gold without directly owning physical bullion. Many other gold ETFs and mutual funds offer a convenient way to invest in gold without the need for physical ownership. Gold ETFs and mutual funds are generally more liquid and can be bought in smaller dollar amounts than bullion. Fourth, by gold futures and options. Futures and options allow you to speculate on the future price of gold, but they are more suited for experienced investors. These instruments are traded through a brokerage account that has access to derivatives markets. Gold is often seen as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Experts often recommend adding gold to a diversified portfolio, rather than making it the sole investment. When investing in gold stocks, conduct thorough research on the company's management, operations, and financial health. We'll continue to monitor the situation closely and bring you updates as they unfold. Stay tuned to Crypto Dose 24 for the latest insights and expert analyses. Thanks for watching.